Okay, good morning, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and introduce what we're going to be doing for our next assignment. And what that assignment's going to be is going to be turning this sketch into our next drawing. Okay, and what that means is that this will be turned into or start becoming our final project for this artist response project. Okay, so our goal is to turn this sketch into a drawing. I'm going to show you my example of this. So I have not finished this drawing yet, but I wanted to show you where I have gotten with this. Okay. So this right here is my sketch, or turning my sketch into my final drawing. Notice that I am drawing light. I've only done minimal shading on a couple of things. I am not done with this at all, okay? All I want to do for next week is just get the drawing done, okay? Do minimal shading, minimal details, just get that drawing done so you can have everything in place. Notice I have not added any colors. I've added minimal shading. I've added minimal detail. I'm just trying to get this drawing done. So that is our goal for next Friday, okay? So we want to make sure that our drawing is completely done by next Friday so we can actually start on the final piece the next week.